Hey! Hey, what you got there? Popcorn, huh? Oh, delicious. Hey, but you know something? Popcorn is not good for your cholesterol. Yeah. You know what else, too? Those kernels get stuck in your teeth, and God, you just can't get them out of there. Good choice, buddy. Hey! Welcome back! Ha! Oh, leftover Chinese food, huh? But it tastes better the first time. You know what? Chinese food is just loaded with MSG. And that's really bad for you. Stay healthy, buddy. Hey, how you doing today, pal? French fries, huh? Looks pretty good. But you know, if you read a little closer, you'll see that those fries contain hydrogenated oils. Yeah, hydrogenated oils never really leave your system, do they? Huh? Anyway. Whoa, hey. Rough night, huh? Yeah, must have been. Who in his right mind would microwave ice cream? You must feel so stupid right now. But you're gonna feel even stupider after you take that first bite. That ice cream is loaded with saturated fats. Yeah. Hey! Going somewhere? Didn't anybody tell you you're not supposed to stick aerosol cans in the microwave? Hey, this is a bad idea. I'm telling you right now. Hey!